you doing, boy?
Huh. We got runner duck. That's what ducks can do! Wasn't that awesome? Splash a lot. Yep. But they can go deep down into underwater to the bottom and straight back up. Plus they do go to the bathroom in some water. They are there. They always go to the bathroom everywhere. Like whenever they get in the bath water, come bloop, they go to the bathroom. Then they can do that. And they can also do that. Vulcan has this.
Buster almost did a flip.
Paper made out of chicken and at the bottom, it says pig. And there's chapstick. It taps out chapstick. It's weird, right? It's weird, right? And it's full of chicken. It's called a chicken.
What are you doing, Fatso?
Chapstick chicken. Why is there a bunch of dragonflies?
Because your face.
Hey! Woo! Lion! Look, that guy was already in here. I'm trying to get the ducks to get him. How come the baby ducklings can't, like, dive down underwater? They're not ready. Wait, can ducks see underwater? I hope they do, because I wish
Hey,
people
Fatso.
had eyes like the